Dividing fractions. In this example we're going to divide 1 5/9 by 2 1/3. Now the first thing we should do is to rewrite each of the fractions as top-heavy fractions. And so for the first one, 1 5/9 is the same as 1 times 9 is 9, add the 5, 14/9. And the second fraction, 2 times 3 is 6, plus the 1, that gives us 7/3. Okay, well, we're just going to use a rule this time, and we're going to say to divide by a fraction, we reciprocate the second fraction and multiply. And so I can rewrite this problem as 14/9 times by 3/7. Now in this little clip I'm not attempting to explain why we do this. I will post another clip where we go into more detail as to why this process works. But the next thing that we should now do is simplify. In other words, if there are any common factors between any of the numbers in the numerator and any of the numbers in the denominator, then we can simplify the fractions down. And we should always try and do this where possible, because it will avoid unnecessarily large numbers. We can see this time that there is a common factor between the 14 and the 7, 7 being the common factor, and between the 3 in the numerator and the 9 in the denominator there's a common factor of 3. So we can say that 7 goes into 14 twice and 7 goes into 7 once as shown, and we can say that 3 goes into 3 once and 3 goes into 9 3 times as shown. To multiply the fractions, we now simply multiply together the numerators, 2 times by 1, and we multiply the denominators, 3 times by 1, to give us the final answer, 2/3.